Good afternoon, my family and friends all over the world. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. My name remains Okikiola, as you all know. And if today is your first time watching my program, please subscribe, like, share, comment. You can comment and write anything that you like. You can, maybe you want to inform me of anything, you can write it in message and comment, or you can send me message on my Facebook for those people who know my Facebook. Okay, today we want to talk about all these our single girls that is into a relationship nowadays. I want to talk about we ladies. As you all know, ladies first. I want to talk about we ladies. Okay, let's go straight to the point. But as you all know, I always say this in broken English. Okay, let's break it down. Okay, we want to talk about our single ladies, because I see one video last week where they say one boy they proposed to one girl, but the girl come dey talk say because of say the boy no lay down, he no go accept the ring, he no go accept the proposal. Why? Now wetin make us dey do some mistake with that one? We dey make a lot of mistake. We dey do a lot of mistake. There's a lot of girls wey be say they don't use their husband. They don't use their husband to do boyfriend. They don't use their boyfriend to do husband. They will come they regret at the end of the day. Say, no, I'm not supposed to be inside this marriage. Because of say, you don't use your husband to do boyfriend. You don't sell your husband, give another person. The time where your husband come because of one or two mistakes where you do, you don't throw away him. Why you can't blame yourself? Why? That doesn't mean anything. Person won't propose to you, no lay down. Does that mean anything? Who supposed grab the proposal if not be you? The thing where you supposed grab, where a lot of girls they even pray, say, may I see one guy, may can't even stand for my head, for the middle of my head, can't tell me say, will you marry me? You can't see person will be say, you can't even gather in friends. Normally, we don't get what you want for that, because even white people where the white land, me and you know say there are a lot of whites will be say they don't even propose to their girl, they know they lay down. They will stand. The love, now the love 9 day matter. If you lay down for you can't carry you reach house, can't they beat you, waiting you want to talk. Now that lay down way down for you that day, now you want the shop. As it stand for your head now, give you ring. You know, accept them. You can't, maybe you can't see another person way lay down, give you a ring. You can't reach out, you can't begin to hook your throat like this. You can't they shout, man, help me. Who want help you? Now me want help you. You better help yourself. You better help yourself. Later, we can't later they see another video. Say the same girl, it never reach 1 week where you reject one person proposal. You can't still move with another man again. I happen self. Now 2 boyfriends now you get. Now 2 person now you date at the same time. I don't even know. I don't know. Because what me think we say you supposed to reason that thing, because that thing maybe it meets you that day. You can't react as it meets you say, I know you're supposed to lay down. But you don't reach out, you're supposed to go think about, you don't get friend who say that they advise you. Say that thing not really good. My sister, not there here to insult you, but I just there here to advise you, because now I make a lot of girls, a lot, even them our mothers, they don't do a lot of mistake. Man will be say they're supposed to marry as their husband, they don't use and do boyfriend. Now that time they'll take the shaky and they're too fine. Now me fine pass. After now me fine pass. Wait till you go see next. Now waiting pre do. Now be this belly. They'll carry and come. They don't come to waiting they won't do again that time. Because they don't get belly. The husband where they're supposed to marry that time, they don't use and do boyfriend. Boyfriend where they're supposed to get, they don't use and do husband. Later on, the marriage will come to get problem. They'll come begin to get problem inside that marriage. Because of say they don't make a lot of mistake for that marriage. They don't make a lot of mistake. So I won't beg all these young girls outside there will be say, "Ona never marry, ona still dey single, ona still get opportunity to think calm." Think calm very well. That guy still dey beg this girl. He still dey beg am. But my sister, you feel still correct yourself, because as me say they look and that guy still love you. Because if he don't love you, you no go still come back again, come still cross you, say, still they tell the guy where you can say, now my girlfriend. If that guy no love you, no go claim you say you be girlfriend after the disgrace where you don't give him. The only advice why I need to give you now be say you need to think and well. Maybe you go back to that guy. Maybe we be girl now. We know as they do one. We know as they do one. You know as you take cash that guy back. When they say you go use sense for them and go back into that relationship. We know as they do. I feel like if you tell us, oh, it's a prank, it's a prank. Nothing we will never say for this life. Now prank, everything na prank. And I understand me. So we need to get sense. We need to think. We need to think. Not use your husband do boyfriend. Not use boyfriend do husband because of say your boyfriend they give you money. Your content say that won't be the husband where God really join una together from heaven. And the husband where God creates you with that one not they too much give you money. Maybe that one they always buy food for you. Content say they look at you say you too like food. Where Yoruba they cut phone oro. You can't say one way but to equate phone oro. Yeah, okay, she phone oro. Oh, can that they think you need to stay wise. You need to stay wise. In a relationship, now love na matter pass. No be down. Now love na matter pass. Na dey very important. Love. Any relationship where we say no love, wallahi, go ask elderly people, they will tell you. You know, go reach 4 years too small, self. You know, go reach 2 years, the relationship goes scatter. Because of say you don't use your sense the time where you're supposed to use your sense. I beg all of you now with the outside there. I beg. When I not do this kind of mistake again, I beg. Because I really see that video. This video touched me. The video touched me. They are even in this our Europe, people where they Europe, they understand. There are a lot of people in Europe, will say they even a fine person will say go. You go even stand, no ring go. You go tell you say will you marry me? Where you go? We go grab am for neck, tell am say no, yes, I will marry you. Before they tell you say you say yes, you don't talk yes. Person can't really bring ring, tell you say will you marry me? You say no because you know the time. The time of our grandmother, then they lead and tell them say will you marry me? When we say they don't come pay money said before wife come. You go just come, you go just say they just come pick wife. Wife said don't know husband when you want marry. My sister, I beg, we need to be wise. I beg all of you. I beg, we need to be wise. I beg. Please, we need to be wise. No go use your boyfriend do husband. No go use your husband do boyfriend. I beg. Mona notice when love. Now it is very, very important in a relationship. Love, no be money. Money not the important to love. If you the friend man, even if you don't get money, if he love you, voila, you don't get everything. But if you the friend man, he get money, he no love you, you go soon die. Because now thickness, now he go finish you. Thickness, now he go finish you. I beg, when I need to be wise, I beg. Okikiola don't talk in own again, no. Okikiola don't talk in own again, I beg. For those one where we say there's still 1 or 2 things speak for my advice, I wish you now congratulations. For those one where see and say they talk nonsense and rubbish, at the end of the day you now go understand what they talk. So for those one who always support me, thank you very much. I appreciate you all. And if today is your first time watching my program, after watching this video, please no look say this girl because of say she's too tabby talk. She dey talk pam. You know, can't subscribe. I beg Mona subscribe. I beg una Mona subscribe. I love you all. See you next Friday. Ciao.